I'll be honest, when they told me about it early this year, I was a bit hesitant. Kasi diba, Tito Boy, alam natin kung gaano kahirap gumawa ng sequel. And for me, I would like to leave it as it is. Like, Joy and Ethan, nag-end na yung love story nila. Parang iwan na natin yun. And then fast forward to 2024, when they told me about this, parang yung idea pa lang, sinabi ko, you sure? Kailangan pa natin ituloy yung kwento nila. Parang nakakatakot siya sundan. And then, nung in-explain nila sa akin, yung story, dun ko na-realize na there are so many questions na gusto ko bigyan ng sagot. What happened to Joy and Ethan? Nagawa ba nila yung dreams nila? Bakit sila, yun sa trailer na nakita nyo, I'm assuming na panood na ng iba, anong nangyari kay Joy at Ethan? Bakit sila umabot sa ganito? So will they give second chances? What